behind.
Today, my lifetime with you officially and legally begins. Nakainomdom pa ko 7 years ago. First meeting pa lang nato, kita na dayon. Basta nikalit ra tag click sa usagusa katong nagkaila ta. I had no idea this day would turn into as a beautiful as it is now. Ikaw lang ang pinaka-the best na naitabo sa akong kinabuhi.
I can't imagine the past few years without you. Nakasurvive jud kog Cebu tungod nimo. Ang ako ang pagkakonyo Tagalog nawala tanan. Bisdak na karon.
Just getting started. We're stopping us on our way. We're on our way. Adventure is cold. We're stopping us on our way.
We always joke around how you always make the best choice. Sa sanina, sa food, sa drinks, in everything. But this time, I feel like ako ang naka-best choice by marrying you. Sana all.
Adventure is calling. We're stopping us on our way.
Bobby, this is it. Ang iyong pangarap ay natupad na. Ako ay iyo at ikaw ay akin. You are the peanut butter to my jelly, the straw to my berry, the one I have married. I am just so happy that I am marrying a calm man, very responsible, and very loving to his parents and to everyone around him. Sa pagminyo na ako sa imuha, giminyoan po na ako ang tibuok pamilya nimo. And they love me so much. And now, I just vow that tanan natong agian, dili jud ti kabiyaan. Unta ikaw pod.
Of course, I believe that our love is stronger than anything. I always listen to you, to your opinion matters to me. Dili ko perfect na boyfriend, pero ako paningkamutan nako to become the best hubby you deserve. And I promise to do my best effort to become the best dad to our future kids. Thank you, Bobby, for all that you do for me. You are my home, my calming pill, my life. I love you, Bobby. Beyond words.
This day is just the happiest day. And gamay ra kog happy memories akong life. And kanyo jud, and all the time na magkauban ta, tops the best. We no longer have to say goodbye, but just good night. I love you kaayo. Kaswerte nimo. I love you so much.